How are you doing, everyone? This is Dario from MEDIABOXENT. So if you follow the channel, we bring a lot of cameras and a lot of spy camera. And this is another one. It looks like a transformer with a better look there. We can see, let's click here, we can see the camera right there. We see that little dot, and also it has a USB, so you can charge your phone. You can charge any device that requires 5 volts. Right at the bottom, we can install a memory card. We can install there a memory card, so you can plug this anywhere, and this thing will record 24 hours automatically. It has a night vision and even a microphone, so that's real nice. Simple to use, and it looks like a regular transformer. Now, to reset the camera, if you're going to plug this for the first time, we see 2 little dots over there. All right, so right there is the LED, and right over here is to reset. Press down and you feel like a little button right there, a mini switch. Press that and reset it, but you needed to plug it in first. By the way, like I said, it has night vision 1080, so it's a cool camera, a good kind of toy, right? So we plug it in and the light will go and blink. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to press here, wait a few seconds until I see the LED light turns off. It will turn off in a second. Okay, so now it resets. By the way, you get this, you get the USB reader, CD that you don't need it if you want to run the camera on a computer, and the manual. Now the only thing the code is not working is sending you to some IP address is not activated, or the website is not working right, but you can download the software right from Google Play, and the software is called HD Minicam. Right, so you search for it in Google Store, and that's what we have. A lot of cameras use this software. So now the camera is blinking between red and blue. It means requires synchronization, required to recognize a network. Now the simple way to do this, if you'd wait, you can scan the code right in the camera, but these cameras are a little tricky. So let me show you a tip for this. Click plus. Now we got set up the camera with the Wi-Fi connection. Now remember a few things. If you are in the data, disconnect the data and make sure your phone is in a 2.4 network. Make sure you know the password for the 2.4 network. If you're in a 5 network, you're not going to use a 5, you're going to use a 2.4, at least to connect this for the first time. Then you can switch back to 5. Add new camera online, but direct connection to the camera, and that's a much simpler way. Click direct connection to the camera, click OK, and now it's going to show you, by the way, iPhone, or in that case Android, is the same thing. So you see that long stream of numbers. It normally starts with C, CM, SED, and then it has a bunch of numbers. It's always that. And then you see all my network there. Because I have a lot of different networks in my router, what I did when I do these cameras, I tend to forget all the networks. So there is no other connection. The default is the one I'm going to choose now. On purpose, I said this is going to be my default. It's not going to switch, because sometimes it can switch automatically. It's not connect. If there is no connection, it will try to switch to the next available network that you set up in your phone. So I remove that. It's another way to trick this thing. So connect. I'm aware there is no internet connection at this point, right? So we did a local connection. It's connected, no internet. So let's go back to the application. We see right there. And the camera is online already. Online. It's going to ask me to change the password. By the way, the password is 48888, but we're going to skip that. It's a demo, but you want to change. And look, it's already connected. You see there? And let me move this so we can see better. Put this a little high, or this way. I'm going to put this into this side, right? The camera, so we can see that. Yeah, we can see that there. So I'm right there. We can see it has a good resolution. I think by default is 640. Let's press right over here, 720. And 720, you can change it to 1080 if you want, 640, depends on the speed, the internet. But right now it's a local connection. So if you want to use this and you are in the middle of the I don't know, somewhere there's no internet connection, you want to set the camera this way, you can do that. How far, I don't know how far the connection between your phone and the transformer, maybe 10 meters, I don't know, 100 feet, I don't know how long the 2.4 it can reach. But you can have a local connection, but you always need to be connected. But if you put a memory card there, it will record automatically all the time as long as it requires power, and as long as you set up to the alarm. If you see anything, record for 2 minutes, you can do all those things. So now I'm connected right there. I can turn on night vision. Manually, you can do a schedule for it. And the rest, we can change the lighting effects. We can make it much brighter, or all that. But no microphone means no speaker here. All right. People get confused, think it's microphone, there's microphone here. No, it means it's no speaker, so no need to press there. Now I'm going to activate the speaker for a second, and we can hear an echo. That's because of the loop. Not supposed to be the mic and the speaker too close. But that activates the mic right there, so you can hear, or you activate if you want maybe the speaker here. All right. So we got that done. We can take a picture. We can record right in the phone, but remember, always records in the camera as well. Let's exit this, and let's go back here. Now, what I want to do now, because it's still local, we need to connect to the actually network. So I'm going to press the wheel, go all the way down, advanced configuration. So in advanced configuration, you can configure the alarm, how you wanted this to work. Wi-Fi configuration, and that is what you need to change now. So you click here, and now set your local network. So whatever is called your 2.4, say 2.4, enter the password, put OK, and automatically now you're saving the information of your network in the camera. So the camera will automatically reset, and when reset, it will get connected to your own network 24 hours. And then now you go right in your phone and activate your local network, even your data if you want, or the 5 gigahertz. Just put your phone like you always do, and automatically you'll be able to see your camera online. So now you can go anywhere you want, and you should always see the camera online. That's a pretty tricky way to do it, but it's the faster way, at least for me. You can try the other way. The manual show you other ways. You can try that as well too. We can configure from here the memory card, so we can format the memory card. We can set how we want the files every 3 minutes, loops every 2 minutes. We can set up the night vision time, synchronize the time with your phone, so you set the time on the device. You can change your password. You can reset the camera from here, or either like I did manually, or you can reboot the camera. So there's a lot of things that you can set the alarm. There's a lot of things you can do at this point on the camera. But the camera works great. It's small, tiny, so if you guys looking for a good spy camera, and when you set that, and you want only thing you care is about recording for 24 hours, so then put a good memory there and let that thing record, and then you're ready, take it off, use one of these USB card reader, plug it in your PC or your Mac, and now you can check whatever you record. All right, so with this we complete this tutorial. Make sure you click the link below to get one of these cameras. All right. So I'll see you next time. Bye.